sir.
So what do we have here, Bobby?
The chassis for my 62 Impala.
Hardtop.
Hardtop.
Okay. So what'd you do to it?
Reinforce some areas. Extending the arms 1 inch. They made look factory. So I didn't pick the top.
Okay.
This is reinforced all 4 sides.
Okay.
I redid some of the factory welds, like on this. Areas like right here.
Just clean it up a little bit.
Close this up. Close that up. Reinforced it here. Make these little cute pockets. Close this up.
So this was a
Regular frame.
regular frame, not a Canadian.
Not a Canadian frame.
Rear end's narrowed.
Yeah. Spine line.
Fine line did that.
Spine line did that.
1 inch. You got the Y bone from where?
Got the white bone from Hoppos.
And you got everything powder coated.
I got everything powder coated.
1 ton in the rear.
Yes. 1 ton in the rear and 2
2 ton in the front.
front.
Do you know what brand disc brake?
This right there, I have no idea.
But if it's 13, no grinding.
Dayton.
You need a brand new Dayton's, Bobby. How does it feel to own a brand new set of Dayton's?
Fucking badass.
A 500 gearbox.
100 gearbox. All this is new.
Center link.
New bolts.
Yeah, new bolts, ball joints, bushings. We did all the bushings today.
Yeah.
Tie rods with the billet sleeve. Yeah, buddy. With the 44, Bobby?
Yes, sir.
Maybe? Maybe. What color are you going to paint it?
Pink. It's a special color. Nobody has this color.
Literally?
It's called Barbie World.
I don't think that's their deed, is it? No, it's in here.
It's right there.
On the bottom.
It's a K Corral. Or close to it.
It's Barbie World.
Right up top.
Custom color made by you.
It's actually labeled. It's on the label also.
Oh. Yeah? And they only make this in Deltron.
That's right.
So what was that?
Super expensive paint.
1,000 per gallon?
What was it? 160 for
A pint? Yeah.
160 a pint.
Yeah, so that's $320 right there.
This is $320 a quart.
1 quart.
1 quart
Half a gallon spray.
with the Deltron reducer. So you can go with the LS motor.
Yep.
You already got that?
Everything black. All the accessories black.
All right.
Hey,
Medium rare.
I need to add something.
What?
And Bobby's still the only person I know that wears Air Max with Wranglers.
Yeah.
We changed
Yeah.
the name of the car.
To what?
It's a medium rare.
Medium rare, like a steak, like the color of a steak.
Yeah, that's a good.
It's gonna be nice. What are you gonna do for the setup for the hydraulics? You already got them?
Yeah. Whammy.
Is it a whammy?
Yeah.
Chrome tank?
That's chrome.
Okay. All right.
The rack is gonna be bolt-on rack.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I still haven't decided how I'm gonna do dumps.
You don't have dumps?
I have dumps, but I haven't decided how. I want.
So all this is powder coated. Pretty good job on the powder coat. All right. So next up on this is going to be when we paint the motor, which may be in about 2 weeks. Paint the motor, transmission, set it on here. Get the rear end together with you got rear disc brakes for that. We're just waiting on the pumpkin. And put that in. And then you got a roller. It's gonna be 4-wheel disc brake with the 500 gearbox.
Fancy.
Fancy.
Yeah.
So y'all stay tuned. We'll bring you back when we get more work.